in the sky, I can't sleep. Too much running going on, got me tired out and worn, but I still manage every no defeat. I've been up through the night, heading to the early morning, many bags, heavy cash in my jeans. With no defeat, I'm steady woke in my dreams. So I'ma do what I want in my dreams. Checking on ideas, got me up through the night. I need a new time zone with an impeccable flight. At first sight, me and my lady had a combo night. Blinded light, every couple do on prom night. Forget the lights, niggas hype over this murder shit. Give me acres, building on the plane with the future. With this crypto money, blockchain cars that change. I'm trying to see the change. Pushing in my lane, I'm on range just like a rover. Skunk go to old lingo, yeah, that be the doja. City take over.
Snippet.
Yeah. What's good with y'all? This your boy, Your Problem. This Properly Respected TV. This Respect the Deal, your crypto advisor. Welcome to Respectively Informed. Happy 420. Happy 420. Happy 420. Y'all know what the day hitting for. Yes, all freaking day. And then we got a couple things going on today. We definitely have Ripple going in. You know what I'm saying? We got Doge. Is it going anywhere? Is it going to be here to stay, or is it going to be different disappearing? That's from what I'm hearing. A lot of hating going on from around the world. Also, you know what I'm saying? PayPal, their Diem token is getting ready to launch. We're gonna get into that as well. I'm gonna show y'all how you can stake Doge, you know what I'm saying, and where you can go ahead and gain those rewards on your Doge to make more. You know what I'm saying? So the first thing we're gonna get into is let's get into the Ripple. All right. Massive reports, they saying. All right. XRP reports massive jump in weekly institutional inflows. The world's fourth largest cryptocurrency is gaining popularity among institutional investors. Let's get this a little brighter. XRP attached nearly 33 million worth of weekly institutional inflows last week, its highest level on record. XRP remained the most popular cryptocurrency among institutional investors during the last 7 days amid a massive jump in its price. According to the latest weekly digital asset inflows report published by CoinShares, XRP nearly doubled its total digital assets under management to 83 million last week. Overall, the cryptocurrency market attracted 233 million inflows last week, as the total value of the global digital assets under management reached 64 billion for the first time. That's crazy. What's up with y'all? How y'all doing? Go ahead and get this chat together. Y'all can jump in the chat anytime y'all feel. So it says XRP remains one of the best performing cryptocurrencies in April 2021. The cryptocurrency stated this month at a price level of approximately 54 cent. XRP spiked nearly 200% within the first 2 weeks of April and reached 195 on April 14th, its highest level in more than 3 years. XRP has been the most popular with weekly inflows of 33 million, nearly doubling its assets under management to 83 million. Inflows this week were unusually spread over a varied set of digital assets. Bitcoin saw the largest inflow of 108 million, while Ethereum attracted 65 million. Inflows were also seen in Bitcoin Cash, Polkadot, Binance Coin, and Tezos, CoinShares mentioned in the report. So, when all them tokens was going down, XRP still was holding up. The total market cap of the world's fourth most valuable digital currency crossed 72 billion on April 13th and touched nearly 90 billion on the 14th. of April, the highest level in more than 36 months. Despite the recent dip, XRP still has a market cap of nearly 58 billion. The latest price surge in XRP is attracting institutional investors. Several cryptocurrency exchanges around the world halted the trading of XRP in January, which is me. I'm in that situation right there dealing with XRP, um, KuCoin, and who else? Bitforex. They stopped it on the 19th. You know what I'm saying? January 19th was that day. Amid the lawsuit filed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. But the latest jump in institutional inflows indicate that larger investors have started considering XRP as a store of value. As a writing, the cryptocurrency is trading nearly 125, which is down nearly 15% in the last 24 hours. Let's see where XRP at. 130. So since the time of him writing this article, which he wrote on, so he wrote this on the 4th. So on the 4th, he wrote this has been stuck on there. It only went up 1 cent since he wrote that. You know what I mean? All right. So Doge, not going anywhere for a while. Grab a Doge coin. Say Snickers candy.
Not going anywhere for a while. Grab a Doge coin. Says Snickers candy. Snickers, the chocolate bar sold around the world for more than 90 years, is getting into the crypto space by promoting the meme-based cryptocurrency Dogecoin.
Wow. See, that's what I'm saying. Once everybody become believers, you know what I'm saying, then they jumping onto this. You know what I'm saying? I've been a believer for a little minute now. You know, I did sell my Doge last month. That was last month before all this talking whatnot went on. You know, but shout out to y'all that's holding y'all Doge. For real.
In a tweet today, Snickers posted an image of the Dogecoin, DOGE, Shiba Inu dog atop the message Dogecoin rise to its more than 407,500 followers. The candy bar brand included the hashtag Doge Day, which has been trending in the United States, as well as 2 rocket ship emojis in a reply. Guess what day it is? Hashtag Doge Day. Tomorrow? Hashtag Doge Day 420, not an actual Snickers pack, just a cool hashtag Doge GIF. pic.twitter.com/9gay, Sverju9. Snickers, at Snickers, April 19, 2021. Snickers wasn't the only voice from the candy bar world to push Doge. In a reply to Snickers' tweet, Milky Way, both brands are manufactured by the Mars Confectionery Company, included a message agreeing with the chocolate bar's pro-crypto sentiment. Milky Way added a tweet to its 11,400 followers seemingly attempting to replace the popular to the moon phrase in the crypto space with to the Milky Way. Congrats to the hashtag DogEarMe for making hashtag Doge Day trend. At Dogecoin rise to the Milky Way, not just the Milky Way, at Milky Way, April 19, 2021. The bullish sentiment from the 2 major candy brands over Doge is not without merit. Though originally created as a joke, the price of Dogecoin has risen exponentially in recent weeks, seemingly pushed by major figures on social media including Tesla CEO Elon Musk and Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban. At the time of publication, the Doge price is 39 cents, having risen more than 570% in the last 30 days. With the hashtag Doge Day currently trending, many pro-Dogecoiners are rooting for the price of the token to eventually reach $1. Doge was largely unfazed by the market downturn which affected the price of Bitcoin, BTC, yesterday, causing the crypto asset to fall as low as the $52,000 before rising to more than $56,000.
56,000. You know what I'm saying? We ain't done with Doge. Let's get in a little bit more. So like I say, you know, shout out to y'all in Doge. Shout out to Bit Boy. All right, so here we go. It's for you Doge heads.
Bitcoin rebounds to $56,000 as Dogecoin price halts at 420% weekly gains. Bitcoin, BTC, saw a staunch comeback on April 20th as fresh bullish news from PayPal combined with solid on-chain indicators. BTC/used 1-hour candle chart. Bitstamp. Source: TradingView #Doge 420 aims to sprout $4.20 Dogecoin. Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC/USD bouncing to $56,000 during Tuesday trading, hours after hitting local lows of $53,300. With volatility still present, the pair nonetheless looked increasingly reliable above $52,000, a significant support zone and the floor seen during last Sunday's flash crash from all-time highs. News that PayPal-owned payment company Venmo had launched cryptocurrency buying and selling to its app appeared to buoy the recovery. On the flip side, a social media-induced Dogecoin day was adding pressure to Bitcoin's immediate upside prospects as funds continued to flow into Doge on the day. As Cointelegraph reported, the aim of the celebration is to launch Doge/USD to $4.20 to coincide with the date and the week in which SpaceX techno king, Elon Musk, promises to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon with his latest rocket launch. The hashtag Doge420 was trending on Twitter at the time of writing, with Doge/USD trading at just over 38 cents, coincidentally up 420% in a week but flat on the day. U.S. traders were yet to wake up, leave effective gains later in the day open. RSI indicator tells BTC bulls to keep the back Bitcoin. Meanwhile, traders were eyeing one indicator in particular as signaling both solid support at $52,000 and that this week's dip would now bounce definitively. Stochastic Relative Strength Index, RSI, an expression of RSI's own strength, hinted that Sunday's dip was already following the pattern of 6 previous pullbacks in Bitcoin's current bull run. As such, daily performance should now see BTC/USD lifted off its recent floor and continue grinding upwards. TradingView account Elliot0511, who uploaded a chart showing the habitual behavior, said in comments that there was no reason to think that this time would be different. It summarized: as we see from the chart, we have a double confirmation that this dip is almost at the end. We can establish it from the fact that, besides the fact that the prices bounced on the main support, we also have stochastic RSI at 0. This happened only 6 times from bull market start and there was always a rebound. I don't see reason why this time the same thing should not happen. The bull market has just begun. Don't scare yourself because there is no reason. Annotated BTC/USD stochastic RSI versus spot price chart. Source: TradingView. Popular Twitter account Income Sharks likewise highlighted the floor price level and pointed to decreasing Doge inflows being apt to fuel Bitcoin's comeback. If you are willing to buy a hyped-up Bitcoin at these prices, you should have no problem adding some Bitcoin spot here, it told followers Tuesday. Once $Doge dumps, we should see a nice recovery. No point talking about any price lower than $52,000 unless this doesn't hold, which I think it will.
I got it holding. Not only do I got it holding, I got it actually going up. Now, they said they don't believe Doge might reach the dollar. The way you got everybody rocking out with it right now is definitely going to reach that dollar. You know what I mean? So let's keep it G with that shit. You feel me? I think this was a while back. Oh, this was April 14th. Let's go.
Price analysis 414. BTC, ETH, BNB, XRP, ADA, DOT, UNI, LTC, Doge, Link. Coinbase, COIN. Listing on Nasdaq could eventually boost cryptocurrency adoption and attract droves of institutional investors. However, that is unlikely to happen immediately. In the first few days after the listing, volatility could be high as Wall Street tries to value Coinbase. This could also increase the volatility in cryptocurrencies. Sharp movements in the price of Bitcoin, BTC, could also result in liquidations of leveraged positions in the derivatives market. The massive $27 billion in Bitcoin futures open interest and $8 billion in Ether, ETH, futures open interest indicate that a spike in volatility could chop several traders. Daily cryptocurrency market performance. Source, Coin360. Plan B, the analyst behind the popular stock-to-flow price model for Bitcoin, cited the monthly relative strength index, RSI, indicator and said that the current reading of above 92 is high but falls short of the 95 levels hit in the previous bull markets of 2017, 2013 and 2011. According to Plan B's calculation, Bitcoin's price would have to rise to $92,000 by the end of April to push the RSI to 95. Traders will keep a close watch on the price action in coin, and that is likely to determine the short-term sentiment. Let's study the charts of the top 10 cryptocurrencies to identify the critical support and resistance levels. BTC/USDT. Bitcoin broke above the stiff overhead resistance at $61,825.84 on April 13th, indicating the resumption of the uptrend. The sharp rally also completed the breakout from the inverse head and shoulders pattern that has a target objective at $69,540. BTC/USDT daily chart. Source, Trading View. The upsloping 20-day exponential moving average, $58,713, and the RSI above 63 suggest the bulls have the upper hand. However, the BTC/USDT pair is unlikely to run away vertically. Usually, after the breakout from a critical level, the price retraces and retests the level. In this case, the pair could drop to $60,000. If the bulls can flip this level into support, the pair could resume its uptrend. On the contrary, if the bears sink the price below the 20-day EMA, it could catch several aggressive bulls off guard. That could intensify the selling and the pair may even crack the 50-day simple moving average, $55,241. Such a move will increase the possibility of a deeper correction. ETH/USDT. Ether broke above the $2,200 resistance on April 13th, which resumed its uptrend. The upsloping 20-day EMA, $2,040, and the RSI above 70 suggest the path of least resistance is to the upside. ETH/USDT daily chart. Source, Trading View. The bulls will now try to push the ETH/USDT pair toward the next target objective at $2,618.14. Contrary to this assumption, if the pair turns down from the current level, it could drop to the 20-day EMA. If the price rebounds off this support, it will suggest that the bulls are buying on dips as they anticipate the rally to rise further. Alternatively, a break below the 20-day EMA will suggest that traders are booking profits in a hurry. That may pull the price down to the trend line. BNB/USDT. Binance Coin, BNB, is currently in a corrective phase following the sharp uptrend that took it from $233.81 on March 26th to $600.
I think that got to do with all the high risky platforms.
$138.56 on April 12th, a 173% rally in a short time. The first strong support on the downside is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level at $483.95. BNB/USDT daily chart. Source, Trading View. If the price bounces off $483.95, it will suggest the sentiment remains positive and the bulls are accumulating on dips. The buyers will try to resume the uptrend by thrusting the price above $638.56. If they succeed, the BNB/USDT pair could start its journey toward $888.70.
Which it
The
is.
doji candlestick pattern today suggests indecision among the bulls and the bears. If this uncertainty resolves to the downside and the bears sink the price below $483.85, the pair could drop to the 20-day EMA, $417, which is likely to act as a strong support. XRP/USDT. The strong up move in XRP continued with a breakout above $1.50 on April 13th and reached an intraday high at $1.96 today. However, the price has reversed sharply, which suggests the bears are aggressively defending the psychological level at $2. XRP/USDT daily chart. Source, Trading View. The first on the downside is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level at $1.43. A strong rebound off this support will indicate that the sentiment remains bullish and traders are buying on dips. The bulls will then again try to resume the up move by pushing the price above $1.96. On the other hand, A break below $1.43 could pull the price down to the 20-day EMA, $1.05. Such a deep fall will suggest that traders are dumping their positions in a hurry, which may delay the next leg of the rally. ADA/USD. Cardano, ADA, pierced the $1.48 overhead resistance today and climbed to an intraday high at $1.55. However, the bulls have not been able to sustain the breakout as seen from the long wick on the candlestick. ADA/USDT daily chart. Source, Trading View. The bears have pulled the price back into the $1.48 to $1.03 range. They will now try to sink the ADA/USDT pair to the 20-day EMA, $1.24. If the price rebounds off the 20-day EMA, the bulls may make one more attempt to push the pair above the overhead resistance at $1.55. If they succeed, the pair could rally to $2. On the contrary, if the bears sink the price below the moving averages, a drop to $1.03 is possible. $USDT. The tight range trading in Polkadot, DOT, resolved to the upside on April 13th and the bulls pushed the price above the $42.28 overhead resistance. However, the price has again dipped back below $42.28 today, indicating selling at higher levels. $USDT daily chart. Source, Trading View. If the bears pull the price below the 20-day EMA, $39.78, the selling could intensify and the $USDT pair could drop to $32.50. On the contrary, if the price rebounds off the 20-day EMA, the bulls will again try to clear the overhead hurdle at $46.80. If they succeed, the pair could start the next leg of the uptrend that could reach $53.50 and then $57. UNI/USDT. Uniswap, UNI, broke to a new all-time high on April 12th, are finding it difficult to sustain the momentum. The altcoin formed an inside day candlestick pattern on April 13th and has extended its correction today. UNI/USDT daily chart. Source, Trading View. If the price turns up from the current level and breaks above $38.16, the UNI/USDT pair could start the next leg of the uptrend. The first target on the upside is $43.43, and if this resistance is crossed, the pair could march toward the psychological mark at $50. On the contrary, if the bears sink the price below $33, the pair could lose momentum as the bulls who bought the breakout on April 12th may rush to the exit. That could pull the price down to the 20-day EMA, $31, and keep the pair range bound for a few more days. LTC/USDT. Litecoin, LTC, flipped the breakout level at $246.96 into support on April 11th and 12th. This reignited buying from the bulls and the altcoin resumed its uptrend on April 13th. The next target objective to watch on the upside is $307.42. LTC/USDT daily chart. Source, Trading View. The 20-day EMA, $227, is rising and the RSI is close to the overbought territory, suggesting the bulls are in command. However, the long-legged doji candlestick pattern today shows indecision among the bulls and the bears. If the price slips below $255, the LTC/USDT pair could drop to the $239 to $246.96 support zone. A strong rebound off this zone will suggest the bulls are accumulating on dips, while a break below it could drag the price down to the 20-day EMA. Doge/USDT. Dogecoin, DOGE, broke above the stiff overhead resistance at $0.087 on April 13th, indicating the resumption of the uptrend. The breakout has been followed by further buying today, which has propelled the price to an all-time high at $0.145. Doge/USDT daily chart. Source, Trading View. The sharp rally of the past few days has pushed the RSI above 85, which suggests the rally is getting overheated in the short term. The bears may try to stall the up move at 15 cents. If they manage to do that, the Doge/USDT pair could enter a minor correction or consolidation. The first support on the downside is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level at $0.112. A bounce off this support will suggest strength. The bulls will then again try to resume the uptrend. If they can propel the price above $0.145, the pair could move up to 20. On the other hand, a break below $0.112 could result in the breakout level at $0.087. Link/USDT. The bulls have propelled Chainlink, LINK, above the $36.93 overhead resistance today, indicating the resumption of the uptrend. If the bulls can sustain the price above $36.93, the altcoin could continue its march toward $50. Link/USD daily chart. Source: Trading View. The 20-day EMA, $32, has turned up and the RSI has risen above 65, suggesting the bulls are back in the driver's seat. However, if the bulls fail to sustain the price above the $36.93 level, then it will indicate aggressive selling by the bears at higher levels. That could result in a drop to the 20-day EMA. A strong rebound off this level will suggest the sentiment remains positive. Conversely, if the bears sink the Link/USDT pair below the 20-day EMA, it will suggest that the current breakout was a bull trap. The views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of Cointelegraph. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision. Market data is provided by HitBTC Exchange.
Facts. So, my bad, y'all. I had to dip real quick. I'm busy. Let me go ahead and jump in here real quick. What's up with y'all? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? So this your boy, Your Problem. It's Properly Respected TV. Disrespect the deal. Your crypto advisor. Welcome and respectively informed. Basically, we getting into it. I don't like how that look right there. So let me pull this right here and gripping it out of reverse. Yeah, but happy 420 to y'all. You know what I mean? This ain't nothing new. 420 smokers know what it is. You know what I'm saying? So the market moving crazy is up and down. These last 2 days, the market was down crazy. It's starting to make a slow trend way up. You know what I'm saying? A lot of coins that people didn't think was going to hit is actually candle lit right now. Facts. Like I said, you know what I mean? Dogecoin, a gem, Umi. If y'all don't know about Umi, Ikumi, you know what I'm saying? That's popping right now. XRP. I've been holding on to XRP for over a year and some change now. Maybe longer than that. But them coins are starting to make a comeback, you know what I mean? After the securities admission, the securities, you know what I mean? They going at a lot of people. And they trying to shut down a lot of shit, you know what I mean? Now, Facebook, they supposed to be doing something with their DM, I think it is. I know they had something with the Libra coin coming, but that was put on pause. But I still collect Libra like every day, you know what I'm saying? I actually can go and collect Libra. We're gonna do that in a minute. Actually, we're gonna do that right after, you know what I mean? I speak on Facebook and what's going on with them. You know what I'm saying? Because Facebook on the low with it, you know what I mean? And they still sneaky as fuck. Facebook is sneaky as fuck. But shout out to everybody rocking out with me right now on Facebook. Shout out with everybody rocking with me on D Live, Trubo, Deli Motion, Vapors, Twitch. Shout out to y'all. Y'all been rocking with me from day one. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Dr. P. You know what I mean? Shout out to Rave. Who else? Shout out to Cuzzo Skizzy. You know what I'm saying? He been rocking on the page. Shout out to Swerve. He done came through. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead, open this up and let's get into this Facebook. So Facebook back DM aims to launch digital currency pilot later this year. And they are gonna have their digital pilot out later this year. They definitely gonna have a shit out later. The runs, boy. That's the runs. Yes, indeed. They don't look like something like that. They all almost damn near look the same, but if they don't look like that, they ain't right. Like I said, happy 420. You know what I mean? Shout out to everybody rocking out. Make sure y'all go ahead and hit that live. Definitely make sure y'all go ahead and hit that live. And what I mean by make sure y'all go and hit that live is that like. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all go hit that live. All right. Let me get to that later. So Facebook backed Diem aims to launch digital currency pilot later this year. The Diem Association is aiming to launch a pilot with a single stable coin pegged to US dollar in 2021, according to a person familiar with the formerly known as Libra. The Facebook-backed digital currency project faced strong opposition from regulators and lost several key backers and executives. I remember that right there. I really do remember. I've been staying real close with the news as far as dealing with that right there. Real quick, let me jump over here and let me go ahead. So now we're gonna have a problem finding it. Wow. I was just on it yesterday. I think this was it. Let's see. Nope. Oh, here we go. Now it's gonna be hard to. Is it in my heart? Because I want to get this up. Where the fuck did I have Libra at? And then in this. Hmm. Hmm. All right, so that's what we're going to do. All right, that's not what I'm looking for. Wow. What did I do with the page? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, it definitely changed over to leave. What was the old site though? Leave a client log. Yeah, here we go. I thought that was it. Right? Let's see. I'm gonna know if this is the official login page, which it ain't. That definitely is the jump. Nope. I think this is it. This is it. There we go. So we're gonna claim. Boom. So I'm just gonna change over here. What, 60, 52? All right. So real quick, I might be wrong. Let me go ahead and see if that's the right token. Libra price token is 25 cent. With a 24-hour trading volume of no question. How much is this? Let's see if this the right token though. Like, nothing on it. Website, let me see. Leave.org. I definitely ain't them. Association, learn more. But I think I'm also on here. Let's see. Let's come down here. I'm pretty sure y'all heard about the token that was coming out with Facebook, you know? I don't know how much of it y'all know about it though. Yeah, blockchain for developers. Source privacy cookies. This is definitely the token. Quick comment check. What's up with y'all? How y'all doing out there? Let's see if we can find them on Twitter, which they probably not found. They probably switched everything up. Oh, no, they actually still on here. Uplibra is committed to establishing a Libra OTC trading platform, providing fast, secure, and valuable Libra exchange services to users all over the world. So I don't think this is actually Facebook's coin right here. Social platform. Social. So this what they tried to be before. So it looked like the site is just like out of it. So we just only that long. So at the same time, DM has gone through a complete makeover and is now in talks with financial regulators to secure payment license. Facebook wanted to revolutionize finance with global digital currency, then came the regulators. First proposed in 2019 of June with the name Libra. The token was initially intended to be universal currency tied to a basket of sovereign currencies such as the US dollar and the euro. But after facing opposition from regulators around the world, the organization overseeing the project lost major backers, including and MasterCard. The group eventually watered down its plan, opting for multiple stable coins backed one to one by different government backed currencies, as well as one multi currency coin. Now known as Diem, the Facebook backed digital is expected to launch later this year, albeit in much more limited form. When it finally arrives, Diem won't come with the same fanfare and controversy as the original idea envisioned by the social media giant nearly 2 years ago. Stablecoin pilot, the Diem Association with Switzerland-based nonprofit which oversees Diem's development, is aiming to launch a pilot with a single stablecoin pegged to the US dollar in 2021, according to a person familiar with the matter. The person who preferred to remain anonymous, as detail haven't yet been made public, said this pilot will be small in scale, focusing largely on transactions between individual consumers. There may also be an option for users to buy goods and purchases, the person added. However, there is no confirmed date for the launch and timing could therefore change. It's really drifted off the radar in a way that's quite striking. Michael Casey, Chief Content Officer of the cryptocurrency publication CoinDesk, and former financial journalist to CNBC. Diem was met with intense scrutiny when it was first introduced, given Facebook's wide reach. It had 2.8 billion monthly active users in the fourth quarter of 2020. Central bankers and politicians feared the currency could threaten monetary stability and potentially enable money laundering. Facebook's involvement also meant there were concerns over how it would protect user privacy. It was such a stunning challenge to the international order and that the backlash was just really powerful, Casey said. One big concern, according to Casey, was that DM posed a threat to the dominance of the US dollar 2 months after Facebook unveiled Libra. Former Bank of England Governor Mark Carney proposed a new digital currency based on a global basket of goods that could diminish the dollar's status as the world's reserve currency. DM's technology has changed dramatically over the past years and a half, from a naive blockchain to a very sophisticated blockchain that you can see is trying to answer some of the questions that regulators had. Yo, what's up with you? Do you do technical analysis? Technical analysis? Depending on what you mean by technical analysis. I want to know if I'm saying your name right here. Z Desert. Desaper. Z Desaper. I'm gonna just say Z. But yeah, just explain to me, like, all right, the technical analysis. That's like going deep in it, watching charts to find resistance points. So you mean like, all right, as if I was going down to these charts right here and checking out these joints for resistance points and when I think it's going to go down and when I think the spike. And I actually do that. I actually do that. So I'm Spanish, haha. It doesn't make sense in English. You can understand me though, right? You got a translator on? Shout out to you, bro. I just had another guy in here the other day. He was Spanish and he was using his translator. All right, real quick, let me just go ahead. Definitely. You already know. Happy 420 to you, buddy. You already know. Happy 420 to you. You already know. Yeah, I mean, we getting grenadined up in here. Yeah. I studied at an English school for 9 years. Oh shit, that's what's popping. Where you originally from? Joint in crypto. Facts. Spain? Oh shit. Yo. I would love to go over to Spain, man. Canary Island. Yo, shout out Spain and shout out Canary Island, bro. Shout out to Spain and shout out to Canary Island. Gym token. This is a gym right here. So this right here is Umi right here, right? Real quick. This for you right here, Z. All right. So real quick, we're gonna definitely do a coin check real quick. Yeah, what's good with y'all? This your boy, A Problem. This Properly Respected TV. This Respect the Deal, your crypto advisor. Welcome to Respectively Informed. This is Properly Respected Coin Check. Yes, indeed. And yes, I actually do hold XRP. I actually also just had XRP stolen from my wallet. I still hold XRP. I had XRP stolen from my wallet and on two exchanges, Coinbase and also I want to say KuCoin and Coinbase. I think it's BitForex. It's either BitForex or KuCoin. They hold on my XRP. They won't let me get rid of it. And I had 200 out on one of these jumps. I had 200, and slowly but surely, I just been selling it off like over the years. Now I was reading an article. Let me see if I can find that article real quick. It was an article I had up, and it was stating somebody was saying they don't think XRP will reach $1,000. Somebody literally said they don't think XRP will reach $1,000. I have XRP reaching $1,000. Not off rip, you know what I'm saying? Right now, I really do see at least $220 by the ending of let me see what this is. We about to be in May. By the end of May, I see XRP at 220. You couldn't recover it. I don't know. I'm still waiting to see what's going on. I contacted them and see what's going on with it. Also with Coinbase. Coinbase said January 19th, they said I ain't have to take my XRP off of the exchange. I can keep it on there until further notice. They didn't give all of us further notice. They just shut down. You know what I mean? So where you couldn't move it, you couldn't do nothing with it. You know what I mean? And that's basically still how it is, you know. Real quick, let's do a comment check for everybody else. What's good with y'all? Shout out to everybody rocking out with me. You know what I mean? Everyone saying it will rise $10. Oh yeah, it definitely is going to rise up to $10. It definitely is going to rise up to $10. All right, so this token right here, this is the UMI token. I don't know if you have you ever heard of the UMI token? I definitely got XRP going up to $10 though. Like I give it a 3-month span. I'm so good with I'm not now on as far as like cryptocurrency and money. I've never tried this before, but in my real life world, on my everyday journeys and everything I do, I put time in toward that. So I'm real good with time, and we depend on the hell yeah. Now shout out to them for the first win. Now the second ain't gonna leave them alone. They still gonna keep coming for them. They right now they the martyrs. Which one? So all right, let me go ahead. Let me pull it up right here for you. If XRP wins the lawsuit, it will go to the moon. They won the first part of their lawsuit. Now, I don't know if they're gonna come back at them. Now, if they don't come back at them, then to me they won. But I got a feeling they're gonna come back at them, so I just can't say they won all the way right now. They did take a big ass leap and took that door and opened it, and they got through. You know what I'm saying? All right, so this right here is the Ikumi token. Is at 0.006. You know, now everybody was talking about Doge, right? Now look, the token going down. The token is going down. This is the dip right here. This is the dip right here. All right, we're gonna look at the chart real quick. Have you got Dogecoin on your wallet? Oh man, look, it's so sad to even say this, yo. I had 12,000 Dogecoin. And I sat there and sold all my Dogecoin last month. A big pump is about to happen. Yes, indeed it is. Do I use Binance to trade? Yeah, I use Binance. I use Binance to trade, and I use Neo. I'm still trying to use Tether Station, and I'm still trying to use what is that? Oh, yup. I actually and you got fucked up, man. Yeah, yeah. Yes, I did. I actually got my wallet got hacked, and I had to go. I got a ledger coming now. You know what I'm saying? So once my ledger come, I'll be cool. You know what I'm saying? I'm not fucking with like it's just too much. 12,000. Oh yeah, bro. I sold that last month. I didn't think. You know, I've been holding on to Doge. You feel me? And I should have known better, yo. I done held on everything else so long. But it was like, you know what it was? I'm gonna tell you exactly what it was. All right, because I know what it was. Because I'm holding on stuff that I've been holding on for that same amount of time. It's the fact that when you got, and this is why I still should have held it, because I still had that passion. Yeah, I'm mad. Nah, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. Shout out to everybody holding those. Cold wallets are better. Yeah. So cold wallets, that's ledgers, right? Hold on, let me close this up real quick. Let me get a hand with y'all. What's popping, y'all? Yeah, so I should have definitely been had the ledger, you know what I'm saying? Especially when the Umi tokens came out, they actually have their own wallet. It's almost like a ledger too. You know what I mean? It's flat as shit. It's like a card. It's literally, the wallet is literally like a card. You know what I'm saying? But I got a ledger coming down because I was hacked 3 times, bro. I don't know if it was something I was doing. You know what I mean? Well, it couldn't have been nothing I was doing. You know what I mean? I don't think so. You know, everything was locked up. You know what I'm saying? Everything had the what is that? The 2-factor authenticator on there. You know what I'm saying? So it's expensive but worth it. Yeah, but they ain't not expensive neither. I done seen some, when I was looking for the ledgers, I seen some that was $49. I seen some that was $100. You know what I'm saying? That's the one that I went into. You know what I mean, the $100 one. But somebody robbed me 3 times last month. No, the month before last, somebody had jumped up in my Wax account and they stole all my Street Fighter cards, bro. I had 3 packs of what's the regular edition, and then what was the ultra packs? I had 2 packs of the ultra, and somebody took all my shit, yo. Not only did they take my Street Fighter cards, they turned around and took my Alien Worlds NFTs, because Alien Worlds had just came out around that time, 2 months ago. So they took all that. So I went ahead and 2-factor authenticated my shit. You know what I mean? And then somebody I was on Uniswap doing a swap. The swap somehow fell. And then right when the swap fell, another transaction happened and took the 100, because I just sent the $100 to my shit, and it took the $100 and sent it right out of my wallet to somebody else. When I logged on Etherscan, I started reading comments and I found out this dude was, whoever this is, he's taking money out of everybody's wallets. I don't know how. Long term is totally worth it. Yes, it is. You just can't look when you grab up the token. I've learned this from a long time ago. Now the Doge situation, I got rid of the Doge because everybody else is making me mad. You know what I'm saying? Everybody else was like da 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 da, and I should have just held on still. But it was something else I was trying to get to. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna get rid of my Doge and I'm gonna jump in this right here. And then I'm mad because right after I got rid of my Doge, dog, look, the Doge started popping. Not only did the Doge start popping, I don't know if you know about staking and harvesting and compounding. Hackers can get a lot of what? Look, the nigga stole my XRP. This was this week, literally, not this week, last week. Then somebody on Trust Wallet got exploited. So Trust Wallet, for anybody, they see this right here, make sure y'all tag Trust Wallet and y'all let Trust Wallet know they might be being exploited. Because it was Trust Wallet. The only thing I did was I went in on my Trust Wallet and I went to my price alerts and I turned on my price alerts. As soon as I turned on my price alerts, automatically a sin of VThor went out. Then the VeChain tokens went out. Then Safe Moon went out. Safe Mars went out. XRP went out. And I'm literally just watching all these transactions happening and I'm not doing nothing. You know what I'm saying? And I turned my phone off. I was like, I'm gonna try to stop it. I turned my phone off. But the next morning when I woke up and I looked in there, everything else still was gone. Like everything he took that day was gone. And that morning, everything else that was left in my wallet was gone. Everything was left down to one. Everything was 1 or 0 point. You know what I mean? He took everything. Hackers can get a lot of profit if they don't get caught. Yeah. But if they get caught, they'll regret it. Fucks. Yeah. At least it wasn't when XRP pumped to the moon. Right? But it's still kind of salty though, you know what I'm saying? Because if it was a couple grand in there, I'd be fucking salty. And when I track the wallet, I'm looking and I'm like, damn, dude, like you just can't have enough Safe Moon. You just had to go and grab up $600 in Safe Moon tokens out of my fucking wallet. And it wasn't, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't in this motherfucker wallet. You know what I'm saying? Like, now you having time experience to get things going. Yeah. I started moving some of my motherfucking tokens that I value. You know what I mean? And what I actually did was I took all my tokens and I threw them all to a wallet that I don't even, I don't even look at it. I don't even pick the phone. The phone is like deactive, like, you know what I mean? And I don't even pick the phone up. Once I send funds to that joint, that's it. You know what I'm saying? I don't even mess, like, I don't pick the phone up, turn it on or nothing. I just send the funds to the wallet and leave it alone. Yeah, I know what you mean. Man. But I'm getting back though. I'm getting back heavy with the all my NFTs that he took. All right, it's all good. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna get them exact NFTs. That was first edition Street Fighter collectors. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna get them back, and I'd be damned if I go and buy them shits one by one from a motherfucker. You know what I mean? But I went and grabbed up a whole bunch of other cards that I'm getting. Appreciate you, Net. I'm grabbing up a whole bunch of stories. I mean, not stories. I'm grabbing up a whole bunch of NFTs, you know what I'm saying, that certain motherfuckers don't got right now. And I missed out on a good ass NFT. Missed out on a good one. No doubt, bro. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe. Oh, you on Twitch? Definitely do the follow, though. We're going to open this back up and get back to it. All right, so what was I on? We was off the rip. DM. That's the fake one, yeah. All right, here we go. DM's technology changed dramatically over the past years and a half of a naive blockchain to a sophisticated blockchain that you can see is trying to answer some of the questions that regulators had, said Rand Goldie, CEO, First Digital Assets Group, infrastructure to let merchants accept Diem as a method payment. Will get past the gates this year, said Michael Granagher, CEO of blockchain analysis firm China Analysis, it would be missed opportunity if not. At the same time, Grenager added, it's one of the multiple initiatives happening. It's similar to Tesla buying 1.5 billion in crypto. This is just part of a big movement, not a new movement. Indeed, Diem or Libra may have been the big crypto story of 2019, but Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies have gathered significant momentum over the past year, with Bitcoin recently surging to a new all-time high above 60 racks. The major firm says, the major firms like Tesla and Square making big bets on digital coins. Meanwhile, crypto exchanges Coinbase went public in the landmark direct listing on Nasdaq. And man, did they make it! So if anybody bought, if you bought just one, I think they came out like the Jones said two. I think they said $280 for the token. You know what I mean? But I think when they came out, they was like it was like three and some change. You know what I'm saying? And then they dropped. I mean, they went up to like four and some change, and then they dropped right down. So it's like, wow, what the fuck? What's next for Diem? The Diem Association has lost numerous members and executives almost 2 years ago from its initial unveiling. Visa, MasterCard, Stripe were some of the earliest companies to withdraw from the association. That was followed by an exodus of other members, including PayPal, eBay, and Vodafone. Meanwhile, the project has also suffered a number of notable departures from Kevin Well, the head of Facebook's planned digital wallet Novi, to Dante Disparte, Diem's public affairs chief. I remember when that happened. At the same time, Diem has gone through a complete makeover, rebranding from Libra earlier this year and beefing up its leadership team with big hires like CEO Stuart Levy, who was formerly HSBC's chief legal officer. Diem is now in talks with Swiss financial regulators to secure a payment license, a crucial step that would place the organization further along the path towards getting its digital currency project off the ground. Big step of our dialogue with regulators has been phased approach to launch. Christian Catalini, Diem's chief economist, told CNBC's Jumana, I can't say these names, I'm gonna butcher them. Last month, we going to be going to phasing and different functionalities and use cases, applications in different areas. He said members, both large and small, would have to undergo rigorous anti-money laundering checks. Once we get the green light, we will start experimenting with a small number of users and a small number of players. Catalini said the goal would be to ensure that the technology and reserve system operates as expected, he added. And though it's starting with a limit pilot, the group plans to eventually bring its merchant and other partners. It is staying tip-lipped on which ones for now. Maybe they don't want to lose people down the way. Network effect. A key advantage of DMs being backed by Facebook is the network effect the social media giant brings, and the association still backed by major companies such as Shopify, Spotify, and Uber. Excuse me. What you get with the institution like Facebook backing a stablecoin is much better distribution. Grogner said you can put it into apps and it to a lot of other places, and I think that will be strong. We'll see when it launches how it's going to play out, but already today a lot of the interest in crypto is also speculative. He added it will basically enable more people to easily get into crypto. That's if they want to. Some people don't believe in crypto, you know? Some people think it's a Ponzi scheme, pyramid scheme, a trap. Or some people just don't want to know about it. Or some people just actually want to know about it but just can't do it, you know? Uh we'll see with it when it launches to the Don crypto All right, but this also brings with it concerns around use data and issues that could cloud the project due to Facebook history of privacy scandals. For its part, DM says it takes privacy very seriously. DM itself will not have private information about the consumer. Thank you. Private information about the consumers, said Catalini. Some of our members have made commitments with regards to data separation between social and financial data. Nevertheless, one thing DM has achieved is global race among central banks to figure out their own digital money strategy. The People's Bank of China leading the way, trailing the digital version of the yuan in a number of cities, while Britain's central bank is exploring whether or not it is to issue its own digital currency. And some experts say we shouldn't count on DM just yet. No, we should not. The story of digital money in 2020 will be the growth of tokenized money. A team of city analysts led by Ronit Gauss, global head of bank research, wrote in a research note last week. Central banks, the big tech, alongside wider adoption of cryptocurrency, are building new payment formats and rails. City analysts wrote stablecoins such as DM could benefit from a huge network effect of their big tech sponsors. So DM, I don't know, man. It sounds like they got a lot they gotta get going and a lot they gotta really work with. You feel me? What's good with y'all? How y'all doing? This your boy, Your Problem. It's Properly Respected TV. It's Properly Respected TV. It's Respected Bill, your crypto advisor. Welcome and respectively informed. We just getting into a couple things. Now, let me give it all this right here real quick. That's DM's home. We're going to leave one up there. We're going to get rid of this. All right, so let's jump on Twitter. Let's see what's going on right here. So y'all already know what it is. Like I said, these tokens, they all got potential to blow. You know what I'm saying? And you just gotta pick the right project. If you pick the right project, then everything, and I mean everything, is gonna come together. You know what I'm saying? And like Z said, long term hold. HODL, not HOLD. We in the crypto community right now, so it's HODL, long term. You know what I'm saying? No matter if the price dip, if it dip real low, go back and grab some more. You know what I'm saying? Once it start going up, you're gonna see a change. You feel me? We definitely about to get into that coin check. You know what I'm saying? So definitely we're gonna go through that. All right, so this is Ikumi. You know what I'm saying? Ikumi is based on a couple things that I like about it. It's a good project, and I believe the project is definitely on pump. You know what I'm saying? So this is definitely a properly respected coin check for Ikumi. You know what I mean? Man, they was doing real good. They was up at I believe 9. Let me see. We're gonna go down here to the let's go down here. Yeah, so boom. It was what was that? 14th, I think. That was the 19th. So on the 19th they hit 12, they 1 cent, you know what I'm saying? Because they was at 9. I remember seeing that, like, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, they about to go up. You feel me? So they did go up and all that, and now they're starting to go down. Now I believe they're gonna start going up near around like maybe March 10th. You know what I mean? We're gonna start seeing them going back up. You know what I mean? Not March 10th, I'm sorry. May 10th. I'm probably guessing we're gonna see them start going back up. You know what I'm saying? So that's definitely what I'm looking for. That's definitely what I'm looking for right there. Real quick, let me do a comment check. All right, let's go with y'all doing. You know what I mean? So, like I said, I got them going back up. Right now at 0.0062. 12. You know what I mean? All right, let's go ahead to the site and y'all see what it is. Now you see right here the tags: NFT and collectible, DAO maker. You know what I'm saying? What's that? X X network capital portfolio. X capital portfolio. X network capital portfolio. Now this is why I mess with them. So it says Umi to wrap Umi chain swap website. How to wrap your Umi tokens. Umi, you can get them right now on Uniswap. Using Ethereum, you can get them on Uniswap. Come over here, let y'all see that real quick. You know what I mean? So this is why I like this shit. You know what I mean? I'm gonna post some pictures up on some social media channels, and I'm gonna let it be known about that John. Real quick. Let's open this up right here. It sounded windy up out there. Now, these tokens right here, yeah. Yeah. We back with it. This your boy A Problem. You know what I'm saying? It's Properly Respected TV. Make sure y'all hit that like. It's so far, so good. Let's get back to it. All right. So what was we at? Yeah, he called me. So far so good. This is why I fucks with it, man. And over here, let's go up here. two on my chart.
You got the ends of my time. You got the ends of my time.
Number two on my chart. You feel what I'm saying? Win number one. We're gonna get in the win, you know what I'm saying? But Umi is number one. You feel me? So that's why I like that right there. Do do. Let's go ahead and grab this up real quick. Shout out to everybody on YouTube Live today. So, new airdrops, new platforms. I know that ain't what my title saying. Is that what my title saying? New airdrops, new platform. This was changed up. Yeah, it says XRP jumps Facebook DM to launch digital. I don't know what happened there. All right. Whatever. Safe Moon, number one coin discussion, live, join. Is this Safe Moon's channel? No, this is not Safe Moon's channel. All right, real quick. Safe Moon, if nobody don't know about Safe Moon, we're going to get into that real quick. All right, let's go ahead, that right there. All right, bet. So we're going to go ahead and drop that on in there. Let's do this. Yup, so that's Ikumi right there. That's the Umi tokens. Vive is an in-app based marketplace for premium licensed digital collectibles with Vive. Users can obtain common, rare, or one-of-a-kind digital collectibles customized and showcase them with virtual showrooms, as well as buy, sell, trade collectibles with other Vive users, all from the palm of your hand. Now, the app is cool, you know what I'm saying? I kind of got a problem with it though, because the app is like acting real funny. It's been acting real funny lately, you know what I'm saying? They got Umi tokens right here. You see it's at 6. It's drop like so oh, nothing's moving. Today's a holiday or something, man. What's going on here? All right. There we go. besides the men. What's going on here? Why is this frozen? What the? Oh, all right, all right, all right. Okay, okay, okay. I know what's going on. I've been trying to figure this out for like the longest. All right, so I gotta go to. This shit's still not moving over here. Cancel that. What did I try to buy with the USD? Hmm. What was it? I don't know what it was. Let's see. Hmm. I don't know. Let me go over here real quick. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some problem in it. All right, what are you talking about, homie? Yup, y'all be cheating me. Just I'm gonna say that on live. Yup, y'all be cheating me. Yup, I'm talking to y'all. YUP. Fucking be on there all day. Y'all don't give me my rewards. Like, come on, man. Speaking of rewards, we're gonna be collecting rewards too. All right, we in. What's up with y'all? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Wayne. Let's open this. Get in. Let me see what these at. See what these assets looking like. I don't think I got much on here. Okay. Let's hide. Let's go to futures real quick. Actual trading. And let's see real quick. We're bit. $55,000. Let's do a futures. Come on. Why is it taking so long? Maybe not meant for me to do the futures. Why is my internet moving fucking slow? So far, so good. Your boy been rocking for an hour and a half. Ain't bad. Not bad at all. Man, this shit is moving fucking slow. I think I'll rate that up. AMR. I do want to do a future, bro. And why is this still loading in? That debut listing a bit more. I want to get that shit. How much is not? Here we go. $2. That shit went up. That shit's still low, and I don't understand that, man. Gotta close it, because I just don't understand why the fuck is it still low like that. It's still low, and I don't understand. Like, why is my fucking internet moving slow? That'd be the shit that pissed me off. I can't front. All right, here we go. It's trying to load that. Somebody just hit me. Somebody probably liked my tweet or retweeted it. Appreciate y'all, yo. Hold on, let me get them Jones out. So, shout out to Steph and shout out to Crypto Dizzle. You know what I mean, for the like on the tweet, yo. Appreciate y'all, yo. Just gave them 2 shouts out. You know what I'm saying? Real quick comment check. What's up with y'all? How y'all doing, man? Make sure y'all go ahead and hit that like, that subscribe. If y'all, I want the subscribers. I need the likes just so it can go through YouTube's analytics. You feel me? All right, so yeah. I'm still trying to load right there. Okay, whatever. Berry at 1 cent. B-Fly, that shit going up, yo. That shit going up, fam. Like, all right. I think that's on the Binance chain. Let me see. All right, so here we go. If I'm not mistaken, 1,888. 1,878. Yeah, that's on the Binance Smart Chain. All right, let me see something real quick, yo, because not done. Let me pull up Pancake Swap, man, because Pancake Swap was acting funny with me earlier. How y'all day so far, though? You know, how is y'all day so far? I appreciate y'all for rocking out with me. Once again, it's your boy A Problem, man. It's Properly Respected TV. Okay. So I don't know what was going on earlier. Let me see, is my profile still together? Because it was saying my profile wasn't up. It was saying nothing was in my wallet. Well, it said something was in my wallet, and I ended up taking it out. But it was saying like I don't have a profile. You know what I'm saying? It was saying all types of shit, yo. Check your stats and collect achievements. It's the pink. So I'm not in this tournament right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep that. So as you see, I'm just the team I'm rocking with. task center. I don't have nothing in the task center because basically I'm not in this one right here. Right here, you see what I'm saying? Task center, earn points by completing regular tasks. No regular tasks, but my team, I think they said my team lost. We in third place. You feel me? I know the next one is coming up soon. I think the lottery is open now. Oh, 55 minutes into the draw. Buy tickets. The tickets is over. Well, you need one kick to at least get the ticket. All right, so let's go over here up to the pools. Oh, all right, so now I'm pancake so I can do the trade I wanted to do. All right, so we're gonna jump into that exchange. Shit, I might as well start right off of pancake swap and go straight from there and hit all of. So let me close. Let me keep that open. Let me close this. Yup, I'm gonna close yo. Close Facebook. Keep open. Keep open. All right, yeah. So they definitely showing it. How much is wheat tokens too, by the way? Who they go? All right. Oh, come on. Yep, here we go. Shout out to the Drip Network. Let's go ahead and get that. Yo, the B5 gonna blow the fuck up, cuz. Watch. Look, watch. So I'm gonna just do this real quick and add that with the rest of what I got. Put this in. I don't have a balance, but my balance is there. Is just so low. Just like you won't see this balance. Probably unless it's gonna match in with what I got there. You know? Let me just hold that in there like so. Shwam, just hold that in there. Boom. Alright, so now we about to start this from this one. All right, so we about to hit bakery swap and egg swap. Right now, this unstake day. Unstake plate. Unstake the plate. See, they got the ONT wallet on there now. So they got Poker to Bake. Poker. So we're gonna see what's up with y'all. How y'all doing out there? Poker to Bake. Net is definitely running slow. I don't know which one it is. Alright. It's all good. That's how you know my net is just running fucking slow. I'm not feeling that. They got Ditto in there. They baked the TLM, baked the TSA, baked the TKO. Shove it. Leave that alone. I ain't gonna grab that. Let's get a little bit of music out in here. Alright, so we got alright, so I checked out the Ditto. What's going on? What the? Why I can't touch my screen? Like, I don't know why I'm on screen right now. Yeah, something's going on. Did I touch something? It's just not letting me swipe. Alright, here we go. What's going on over here? Alright. Beta Hi-Fi. Hi-Fi is cool. That just came out. That's S8, that S-Act. I don't know what that is. That's all new. These are news that just came in. No, why do I see only one? Alright. Thought I was hit. And it went up. And it went up. Oh my goodness. No, I got anything to add in there? Nah. Alright, cool. I ain't even gonna harvest that yet then. I wonder what else they got. Now you know. Now I'm gonna blow your head off with this one right here. Look what else they letting you. Look what else they letting you stake in the LP pools. Uh-oh. Is that what I think it is? Yes, that is. Let's see how much return on investment. Let's see what the return on investment is, the ROI. Let's let that thing load in real quick. Yes, people, that is Doge. That is very new. 44.52. Look at that. 44.52 on a return. Ugh. Ugh. You know what I mean? I guarantee you Bitmark got Doge on here. Let's see. Oh, they do. That thing at 36 cents. Mm. Mm-mm. That will literally get me what? 92 Doge. 92 Doge. And if you wanted, let me see how much they would let me see what they would try to, if I wanted to send that out, right? Let me go up. Assets. So if I wanted to send that out, I will go to high small balances. High small balances would come to right here. So how much would they try to charge now that they know Doge is popping? The funny thing, now that look, see the withdrawal fee 60. 60 of them Jones. Just to take out, and he's going down. Let me trade these out. Let me get rid of Lena real quick. So I wouldn't even buy those, you feel me? Because they, you know what I mean? Because they, now that they know it's so popular, you feel me? They get, once they see a coin that's so popular, they transaction fees go up. Like that's just, you know what I'm saying? I'm just keeping that real. BFI doing a policy, BNB doing a policy. BTT coming back up. Buy coming back up. BXTB. What the fuck is that? BXTB. BXTB. Let's see if they got it. They don't have it. Cake at 27. Dash at 320. Dago at $12. Oh my god! I had a lot of way back in the day. I had Dago on KuCoin as a DeFi token. I didn't even know. Dora at 24. eCell at 5 cents. And I mean, it's just like so many other tokens. Phil is at motherfucking 155. What's GBT? I think that's what it said. Yeah, GBT. Come on, man. Comment check real quick. What's up, y'all? I don't understand how Bitmark is like keep fucking up on me. GBT. Come on, man. Come on. This is how I know my internet is just acting whack right now. It annoys me very much that my internet acts like that. Now I'm on the search bar. It ain't come up yet. Come on. Load in. What was it? GBT? Global talent. Oh, we got a problem. We gotta see which one that is. Gold game. Sense. Game bet. GIX at $1, GSO, and then GSX at 7 cents. Hot, that's at 1 cent. Leaning 4 cent. And then 0.4. Neo at a bean. PCL. What's PCL at? Procurium. Oh yeah, I remember looking at this. That's on the Ethereum blockchain. What's good with y'all? Where's my screen? Why am I? Y'all ain't even tell me my screen dipped out. I got y'all. I don't know what's going on. Something's stupid acting up. Alright. I'll close that out real quick. See if we can find a converter on here. Nah, they don't got one. Red coin. What would that get me? Oh, yes. Oh. Let's see what the weather looking like outside. We might continue this outside. They saying it's 65 out there. I'm gonna do a recheck. What's going on? 66. We might go outside. All right, so real quick.
Damn. Trying to get in, but this damn BS, I know.
Not bad. That joint is like, that thing was looking real rocky. It's definitely nice outside. So what we gonna do is we gonna continue to show outside. So what I'll be doing is I'll be killing the show right now, and then I'm gonna go set up out on the porch. You know what I'm saying? Not the porch, but the balcony. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna stream outside. You feel me?
Music or not? I'm gonna leave it up for a little bit. If you hate it, tell me.
I appreciate y'all for rocking out with me so far. literally
2 Twitter space.
give me like
No dip, man. Just by
10,
chasing
15, 20 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Then check back in on my
I
channel.
don't know, Moonstar.
Make sure to hit that
One
like so we can
question.
get shared through YouTube's analytics.
Why when I try to sell
Make sure you hit that subscribe if you ain't already subscribed. Tap that bell so you can be notified every time I go live. And I'm gonna get right back at y'all in a couple of minutes. You feel me?
With the fee, it doesn't make sense. I don't like it, and I will.